A fourth bedroom may cost less than a third full bathroom, and the reason is not simply the room count. Bedrooms mainly raise build cost when they increase the home's total living area or create a less efficient layout. Within the same footprint, another bedroom may add walls, a door, a closet, a window, electrical work, and HVAC distribution, but it may simply replace an open office or bonus area. Bathrooms are different. They concentrate plumbing, waterproofing, fixtures, cabinetry, ventilation, tile, and specialized labor into a small space. And a half bathroom usually has less scope than a full bathroom, while an ensuite with a large shower, double vanity, and premium finishes can increase the budget much more. Bathrooms located beside each other or stacked between floors may reduce plumbing complexity. Spreading them across the house can require longer water, waste, and ventilation runs. In Dream Home, cost to build, compare a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom plan with 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath and 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath scenarios. This is planning-grade educational information, not a quote, bid, appraisal, or professional estimate. Download Dream Home, cost to build, and compare your room count scenarios before finalizing the floor plan.